I'm mentioning not to. And there's a goat in the pen. I don't know, so far I not go inside that. But that's where the turkey is, and there's a goat in there. I don't know what to do. Oh my goodness, honey. I told them to come early because I'll come here before I take the kids to school. I got here 6:40. They're not here. I called them. They said they're on their way. So that means they come to work around 7, 8. I don't know. I can't wait to send them packing. Let them go hustle on their own. I wish I had option, man. They will be gone. Look at the table you made. Everything is just falling apart. They're 2 weeks old. I was just told one fell in the water and died. Now we have 10. And 4 more eggs. But I don't know if it's cracking. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one is dead. One fell in the water and died. 2 weeks old. They were born on the 19th. I'm just so pissed off. I just told them, if they don't want to do the job, let them go back to my village. If they have something better to do there. I'm so tired. Oh. Every time I come here, I get mad. Like, everything is falling apart by the minute. I told them, go. If you have something better to do in our village, just go. No, I'm tired. Oh. Goats in a coop. How did they get in here? We don't know. Why? They just leave. They don't make sure everything is intact in the house. They just leave. All my tools are left outside. Somebody can just come and grab. So this is the Benjamin and the wife. She has some eggs. Oh, she has lots of eggs, but I was told she does not stay on long enough. So I don't know if it's gonna hatch. Oh man, I need to count. Those are lots of eggs. But apparently she doesn't stay on there enough to hatch. That is so sad. I don't know. So I told them to put this here and see if it will help. I wish I know. Is she gonna hatch it or not? She's eating some of the feed, the normal feed that the chickens eat. So I don't know if that's what's making her lay or Benjamin. But I don't know. That's a lot of eggs. 18 eggs. Huh. Man, if she doesn't hatch, then next time I'm not going to give her some of the layer feed. I'll give her just simple corn and see. Yeah. Guys, I'm out of breath. I was in the coop and Benjamin literally started attacking me. I was screaming. That's crazy. Very wild. I said we're going to eat them for Christmas. Have you seen when a chick attacks you? I wish I was able to take a video. I was screaming like a baby. He got so big, and then he's coming toward me and poking, and I'm screaming and beating him with my shoes. I don't know what. That was scary, man. So scary. I'm not going in there again. I don't care what happened to those eggs. Stupid Benjamin. Look at me sweating. Literally attacked me. this early morning. How dare he? As far as I'm getting, I don't want to go inside. I do not want to go inside. This stupid Benjamin. We used to be friends. Now I'm not even coming. I want to go see the eggs, but I'm nervous. I'm not going in. The eggs are there. I'm too scared. Stupid Benji. Okay, let me try and look at the eggs. And I'm watching him like a hawk. I'm watching. Okay, no eggs. No eggs. So I told them to give them just regular corn and let's see. So I've gotten rid of those eggs. Bye, Benjamin. We're not friends. So, these are the eggs that the local chicken laid. So when I went there and I checked, it was emptied. So they gave it to me and here it is. I'm not selling it because I don't know about the quality of it. So I brought it home and we're going to eat and see. It's pretty big. I think it was the feed that was making it lay. So it was like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18 eggs. I think it was 20 and 2 broke. These ones are the foreign ones. See, the local ones have a different type of brown eggs. It's kind of like light brown. This is more like deep brown. But these are cracked from the farm. And these are the local chicken. This, that, up to here. So, yeah. So we're going to try with just corn and see what happens. Yeah, I think this was included too, yeah. So 19 or something, yeah. And my little turkeys, they're out of there. Oh, they look so cute. She still tries to stay on that one, but it's not hatching. She's trying. She's really trying. I don't know if it's going to hatch. It's been 2 weeks. I don't think it will hatch. So we need to dispose it. But they look so cute. My little turkeys. Let me go because you see what the turkey did? That's what Benjamin did when he was attacking me. Like that. And then he'll be coming toward me with full speed. And I'll be trying to beat him. And then he'll come. Oh my gosh. That day, that was a week ago too. A week ago this. My turkeys look so good. So now, I know turkeys do that. But because of what Benjamin did to me, I'm tempted to get out of here. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, 2, 4, 6. Okay, 9. They look so good, guys. They're like about a month. Guys, I miss you. You're eating your food. Okay, gotta go. Ooh, they're drinking like that. Get out. Why are you doing this, doggy? They are following me around. I'm not sure why. These are some of the old ones we left around. What are you guys doing? You're fighting or playing? Huh? What's going on? Oh. Oh. And these are the goats Hannah gave me. The little baby died, one of them, so there's 3 of them left. They're running away from me. And that's the man of the house. The stinky man of the house. Hi. Okay, bye-bye. We are eating. We still at the 39 crates a day. They got lice, so we're treating it. And then see what happens. So today is actually the first day of 35 week. And as you can see, the production rate is going down. We were at 81%. Instead of going up, it's going down. They had lice, we've been treating them. So, oh, stop. So now I'm going to try with combine and pure vitamin and see. Something about poultry farm. You put so much in, one mistake and you're back to square one. You know, so now we have to figure out what's going on. So one of the reasons why is I got a store at the market is because sometime in the year, the people that take egg from me, they'll be like, oh, we're slow. Schools are out, so they don't take egg. Then you're stuck with hundreds of eggs a week and you don't know what to do with. So at this, like one used to take 150 and all, whatever. He hasn't taken any. The other one takes a lot, but I said no credit. She's been taking 35. Then today she calls and said, oh, we got 35, but we need more, so we're coming. I said, no, we don't have any. Somebody else is here to pick up today. And then she calls the farm and said she's going to come and get today. Now schools are back and running, so now she's going to come and get more. I said, no, my store comes first, because that's what they do. You depend on them. As soon as the market is slow, then they leave the egg on you. Then you become stressing. How am I going to buy feed? So getting the store was a good idea. So now my store comes first. Everything goes my store. If I'm nice, if I want to be nice, then I'll give you a little bit. Otherwise, I'm selling it myself. Even if I sell it cheaper at the market, it's moving. And that's what I need to do. You have to be really, it's crazy the things they do. They're not going first. My store comes first. So it's like, then she was getting it from different farms. So I'm thinking, that farm disappointed her yesterday, so she's coming for more. She think I'm stupid, so I'll leave the egg there for her, and then when she's ready, she comes and get more. I said, you've been taking 35. I put you on the schedule for 35 a week, and last week she didn't even pick up the egg, and she didn't call me. Her excuse was, oh, my kids were sick, and I was hot. I said, really? So you couldn't even tell me that your kids were sick, you couldn't come. And then the one she picked 2 weeks ago, she just actually paid for it. So now you want more, you're not getting more. You're getting what you're getting, and that's it. Well, because it's not the first time, and I'm learning. Third year, you're not going to have me for a fool. So glad I got the store. So glad I got the store. I pay for 2 years. When the 2 years is up, I'm going to renew it for more years. The eggs are moving. I don't need to depend on the middleman. And then when they disappoint you, then you don't know what to do with your eggs. I'm done. But now we have to figure out why they're laying less. You know. That's what I'm going to do. The next time I come here, I'm bringing a lot of vitamins, antivitamins, to see what's going on. Because now is not the time for the production rate to be going down. They've been treated for the lice. So let's do some pure vitamins and see what happens. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your love and support. But if you haven't subscribed, kindly do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get any of my new upload. And as always, I appreciate your love and support. Comment, share, and like. Okay? And until next time, smile. See miracles in life every day. I'm going to get to the bottom of what's wrong with my chicks because I need more eggs. Okay, now with the store, things are moving. Like, I literally took 160 on Tuesday, and by Wednesday, we were left with 12. Okay, so that's why I went to the farm today to get more, but unfortunately, they only had like 50 something. So I'm keeping the rest, and then in a couple of days, I'm going to go get a whole lot more. I let the taxi driver do because the truck has not been fixed yet. So the truck, I have a taxi driver getting the eggs for me. And yeah, it's moving. Mondays, we don't go to the market much because that's when the people in Techiman and Kumasi, they come with loads of truck and they sell eggs. So Mondays are slow for us. But regardless, with the competition, I have my own customers that I supply and it's moving. And that's what matters, okay? So there's hope. There is hope. When things are not working out for you, figure out what you can do. When people were not coming to the farm or they would leave me hanging, I said I need to raise money and get a store. And my friend Hannah helped me find a store in Abra. And so far, so good. I'm very grateful for her. And thank you for always watching. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.